Good morning. No good news today. I need to talk about this. Happened yesterday morning in Nice in France. There was an attack in the Catholic Church. 3 people killed. 2 of them died inside the church. One of them managed to escape, but later died from the injuries. Reports say that one elderly victim was virtually beheaded. The suspect was shot by the police and taken to hospital. Now these are early reports, but they say that the guy who attacked was Brahim Ayoussawi. He came from Tunisia on a boat to Italy in September. Right. Just a month ago, he came to Italy. And he was brought into quarantine. Then he was released and told to leave Italy, which he did. He went to France, and now he did this. Yeah. I know, this wouldn't have happened. If Salvini was the PM of Italy, this guy would have been stopped at the border. This wouldn't have happened. So you see how deadly this is. This open borders bullshit. Now what's going to happen in France? We will see. Now the authorities, this is what Macron says. He says now this is the solution apparently. Thousands of French soldiers protecting key sites, including places of worship and schools. So this is the solution. He also said France would not surrender its core values. I say it with great clarity once again today, we won't surrender anything. Well, I understand this, but this is not a solution. If you really wanted to solve this, you have to face the real situation. These people will attack. Doesn't matter how many soldiers you bring to places of worship. It doesn't matter. And you know, I think France realize now that they are in a war. There were 3 more attacks, just hours after the first one in Nice. One in Avignon, one in Lyon, and one in Sartrouville. Now these attacks were stopped. That's what they say. Yeah. Now it seems to me they don't really want to solve this, because if they wanted to, the only solution is to get rid of these people. I'm not talking about killing anyone. I'm talking about sending them home. Yeah. Like Matteo Salvini would have done. He would have said, stop. No, you're not coming in here. See? This is the product of EU bureaucrats, globalists. Yeah. United Nations, these stupid treaties, talking about human rights, treating refugees with kindness and stuff, you know. This is the product of the United Nations and all these globalists. I think it's going to be fascinating to see how other leaders react to this. Yeah. I'm sure about this. Well, I'm sorry to say it, but these stupid bastards, they will criticize France. Yeah, you know, France is talking about their core values now. And showing these cartoons. This is what started it all, these cartoons, right? Because French authorities projected these cartoons on government buildings. This is what started it. Yeah. It started with the French teacher who showed the cartoon in his classroom. He was beheaded. So, and these stupid leaders in other countries, I know it, they will criticize France for what they are trying to do now. And, you know, the French authorities, they are not even trying to solve it. If they were trying to solve it, they would start to send people out, send them home, close the borders. But they won't. All right, that's all. I wish you a great weekend.